How to fix Instagram black background easily and fast in less than 50 seconds. First thing guys, to fix this problem is actually so easy. Just open the settings and then go to the apps manager. Open the apps like this and then go to the Instagram app. After that, this is the app informations page as you can see. All what you want to do here is very simple. Just click on this force stop and then go down into the storage. Click on clear data, clear cache, and that's it. Now you have to open the data usage right here. On this option you have to make sure that all those options are enabled, especially the mobile data and the Wi-Fi. After that you have to turn off your phone and then turn it on, and the problem must be fixed. Don't forget to like, subscribe.